Good morning.
Are you? Look here. Where's Sunway? Why don't you introduce yourself, alright? Why not tell everyone here what's your name? You have that? Shall I one more time, what's your name? Amigo is his name. Amigo, I see that there's a lot of people out here. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
You heard that? Amigo is asking, how are you? So everyone, how are all of you feeling today? You feeling good? Yeah, they're all very nice to see you. Okay, Amigo, he's very smart. He can actually count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And there we go, perfect by Amigo. Yeah. Now, that's not all. When we count from 1 to 10 in English, now let's hear him count in Chinese. And there we go, Amigo did it! Very impressive. You know what, he's going to amaze you even further. Amigo here can actually sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. But the first song is called Kerana, which means a guest. And there we go, Kerana, great homework by Amigo. Okay, next song is a song from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Oh, what a lovely song, Amigo. That was very nice. Okay, now the last song is an English song. But before that, anyone here celebrating your birthday today? If you want to raise your hands, any birthdays today? Anyone? People over this side, any birthday? People over here? No one having a birthday today? Okay, how about tomorrow? Anyone raise your hand?
He's very environmentally conscious that when he sees litters lying around, he will pick it up and he will throw it into the right bin.
Pick it up and throw it into the right bin. Okay, let's test it out then. I have 3 different kinds of material with me. I have paper, metal, as well as plastic.
Okay, and to prove this to you, I have 3 recycling bins. I have 1 for paper, 1 for metal, and 1 for plastic.
Alright, the people be sure to ask how you recycle. Let's see paper button, paper bin. He steps on the pedal and he puts it in.
Wow.
We have 2 more trash to go.
Right, next one, metal can straight into the metal bin. That's
Wow.
Okay, last one.
Look, birdie.
Right, now from plastic bottle to the plastic bin, EP puts it in. Right? EP. Come on, EP, just a little more. There you go. I don't think you can reach the top of the bin. Can you help him?
Not to worry, Joe. EP here has his own cute little stool to help him out. Why don't you pass it to him?
Alright, EP, this is for you. You can use it. Okay, you put it nicely in front of the bin. I'm sure you can recycle the plastic bottle now, right?
That's on the stool, and you recycled it! Good job, baby! Our plastics has invaded our lives to such an extent that it kills over a million of birds and animals every single year.
We have a winning boy with it. It's Cocky. Well done, Cocky supporters. Yes, we know. It was just a warm up. No, it was an actual race, right? You want one more game? Okay, how about let's ask everyone here, shall we have one more game? Alright, we are sounding yeah, let's head back to the table. So same things, 4 foods each. Berry supporters, you have to cheer louder. The louder you cheer, the faster the birds will run. Alright, getting ready, so supporters ready, birds are ready, let's go! And there we go, who's the winner, everyone? There we go. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Barry and Cocky, our first collecting the car. Now we are joined by 2 cheeky friends out here. These are known as great white pelicans and they can usually be found in. So what I want all of you to do is take a closer look at Vicky's eyes. Can you see the beautiful long eyelashes? But this is a special feature that only hornbills possess. Okay, now when a female hornbill wants to nest, what you would do is look for holes or cavities in trees. Around the right there, the nest box is very similar to what we give the birds here in the jurong bird park. But Vicky, why don't you check your nest box out? And alright, off she goes. Vicky, your nest box is to the right, so hop along. There we go. And what she's doing is that she's inspecting the interior of her nest box. Only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. In she goes. Now when a female is inside, what she will do is to seal herself using different materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. So Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can set it up now. That was fast. Vicky, are you still inside? Vicky, there she is. And then ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right back there. Let us welcome Sunny, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, and not too tight on face. So when the female is inside, the male has the responsibility of looking for food to feed the mother and the chicks. And this usually goes on for about 3 to 4 months before they are ready to leave the nest. Right, in a short while, Sunny will be off looking for more food. So ladies and gentlemen, did you know right here in Singapore, we have our very own local species of hornbills. They are known as the Oriental Pied Hornbill. Right here in Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding this particular species of hornbills and also release them back into nature reserves as well as now, heading to Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Follow the guys. Africa versus their sexy moment, supermodels of the world. Our greater flamingo. participants, we will be coloring the skies with our beautiful and colorful the Gulf of South America. Coming from up there and there. And then everyone, our best now is welcome to them all the way. With that, as we become the end of the highlight show, I hope you have all enjoyed it as much as I did. Right, so like I mentioned, if you remain seated, we have staff here to assist you with the exiting. But before you leave, just remember to take a look around.
The cheese. Good job.
Lemon food. Hey, look.
See, what color is a flamingo?
Oh, Mr. Woman.
The kings of the sky show. Birds of prey have captivated man with their strength, speed, and agility. During the show, you will get to see some of these birds flying all around this arena and some of them right above your heads. But before all of that can take place, we will need your
The cheese. Good job.
Lemon food. Hey, look.
See, what color is a flamingo?
Oh, Mr. Woman.
Titan, the turkey vulture, can be found from Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million of them. As I mentioned earlier, they have a keen sense of smell, so they are usually the first to locate a carcass and land on it. But at times, they might not be able to feed on it yet, as their beaks are not strong enough to tear open large carcass skin, like a buffalo carcass, which is why they wait for other species of vultures to help them out. And these birds have very strong stomach acid, almost 0 pH level, so you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is. Right, Titan, it's time to hit home now. There we go. Let's give a big hand for Titan, our turkey vulture. Thank you. Why when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. But why do they need to fly so silently? Does anybody know what type of prey do owls hunt for at night? What type of prey, huh? These rodents have an acute sense of hearing too, which is why the owls have to be very silent in order to sneak up onto their prey and pounce on them without being detected at all. That gentlemen, we are now joined by our wake of vultures. These three are the Cinereous vultures, which can be found in Europe and Asia. It's a very common sight to see vultures coexisting together in the wild, feeding on dead animals. Vultures are very important to the ecosystem as they help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by clearing out animal carcasses. That is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, many vulture species are rapidly declining in the wild due to threats such as poaching, deforestation, and even poisoning of carcasses. Fortunately for us, Wildlife Reserve Singapore is now working hand in hand with BirdLife International to help protect and conserve three critical vulture species in Cambodia. And these are the white-rump vulture, red-headed vulture, and the slender-billed vulture. So let us all continue our efforts to support, to help protect them. Well done. Come on. Now, insects when they take off in mid-air, you can make vertical flight to catch it. There you go. There we go. But that's a really low one. Try higher. Whoa, look at that. Well done, Raul. Well done. Really high jump indeed. By the way, these birds can be found in South Special to us because they were both catch and raise right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Why when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. But why do they need to fly so silently? Does anybody know what type of prey do owls hunt for at night? What type of prey, huh?
Say cheese. Good job.
It's swimming pool. Hey, look.
See, what color is a flamingo?
Oh, Mr. Woman. Look.